Hi everyone, this is Pooja from emofreetherapy.com, and I'm really excited to announce that there are a couple of workshops that are coming up in May, June, and July. And those of you who know me know how passionate I am about EFT, and it's something that's really close to my heart because it has helped me tremendously in my own personal healing journey from trauma, physical issues, thyroid, and surgery, and whatnot. So, I would suggest that you check out all of these events and I can give you an idea about how to go about it so that you can benefit the most from these events. So the first one that's coming up is on 19th May, which is day after tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. IST. It's going to be for an hour. It's going to be a recorded webinar where you will learn what EFT is, because EFT is also known as tapping and it's emotional freedom techniques. And if you're curious about EFT, you're new to EFT, you want to learn more about the research or the science behind EFT, then you can attend this webinar and there'll be a question and answer segment as well where you'll get to ask your questions. The next one that you can attend after it has piqued your interest would be something that I'm doing with an NGO called Living Consciously. I'm working in collaboration with them and we are organizing this workshop called Self-Tapping Workshop and the Inner Child Healing Workshop. So the self-tapping workshop, which is going to be for 3 hours spread over 2 days on 3rd and 4th June, is actually something which will introduce you to the basics of EFT so that you can start applying a little bit of EFT on your stress, pain, anxiety. Nothing too serious or traumatic. I wouldn't suggest that you apply EFT on trauma without taking proper training in that. So you learn the basics of EFT in this workshop. The next one following this on the next weekend will be on 10th and 11th June, which is going to be the Inner Child Healing Workshop, where you'll get to work on what we call a part of ourselves, that's the younger part, where you get to connect with how you were as a child and how you felt growing up. You felt unloved, abandoned, and all of that. And with EFT, there is some healing that comes, and a lot of participants have said that the group session, which is going to happen on 10th and 11th June, has really helped them. So that's something that's going to give you an experience of going in depth with EFT, how we can go really, really deep with EFT and the kind of changes that it brings about, really positive changes. And then the next one is in June itself, which is starting on 17th June. It's going to be on every Saturday. It's the combined EFT level 1 and 2 training where you learn the foundational skills in EFT, you master these skills, and you learn quite a lot of things, because these concepts and techniques and skills, they are really going to help you to work on yourself as well as work with others. And they cover a wide range of topics, and it's going to be an experiential workshop where you're going to be practicing with others and you'll be learning quite a lot. And it starts on 17 June and it ends on 29 July. So it's just going to be once a week, every Saturday. And you can check out the timings and the discounts and all of that on my website, which is www.emofreetherapy.com. So, you can just check it out and see if you'd like to attend these webinars, workshops, and if you see it's one after the other, beginning with the introduction to going a little deeper with EFT and then taking a proper training in EFT. So I'm hoping to see you there.